Alright, figured I'd go ahead and do the last part of this. I've got a couple I just did right there. And to show you, it's a roll bit, or a roll crip bit, 12 gauge. One's plastic, one's metal. This one's 40 bucks, this one's 10 bucks. Looks metal, but it's actually plastic. Both are double pin. One actually is double pin, the other one is it's square almost. This one does a much better job than this one. This one gets the job done, but it's not that pretty. Let's go ahead and set that aside. Take some of your top wad cards, put those out. You can go matted or shiny side up. I usually go shiny. Let's see, like that. Lock that into place, and let's go ahead. I don't know, do three more. So this is how I do them. Take them. I have a wooden dowel. Put on top. Some of these are filled up to the top, like this one right here. Some are, they got room, a little bit of room, but let's go with this one. I just take the wooden dowel, smash it down in there, put a top wad card on it. That one came right back up. Do that one more time, smash that down in there, and roll crimp it. And there you have it. 2-inch roll crimp wax slug. Isn't coming out. Another one. As I'm smashing it down in there, I pinch it, and then I place the top card on. And there you have it. A roll crimp. Some of these get wax on them on the top. It's pretty easy just to clear off. If you have to, get a toothpick or whatever, go around the, usually it's right in the crack. Sometimes you get a little gush of wax, but put that dowel back. About 2 inches. Yep. Coming in about right at 2 inches. A little roll crimped. I got their top cards on them. They ain't coming out. 2-inch roll crimped slugs. If you take your time and don't go as fast as I do, you'll get it down to where it's perfect. Like this guy right here. Perfectly round, crimped. Actually, this one's a little bit on the top right there, but there you have it for about 25 cents, a little wax slug. Enjoy.